Kaya makita ninyo, there's a lot of killing and I have maintained my cold silence. Nag-warning na ako. Wala akong magawa. You want me to fight the drug war? I am not fighting a crisis. I'm fighting a war. Now, who are here on the ground? It's the apparatus. Yung mga tenyente niya, tapos yung mga basurero. Yun tawag niyang basurero. Sabi niya, bakit mo pinapatay ang pati? Anak ka ng... That, if I have to stop the problem, I have to deny them the market. And before I can do that, I have to exterminate the apparatus. Kasi kung wala na magpabili, walang tanggap, kung mapatay ko na ito lahat ng tenyente, then the business of Cebu would no longer be viable. No, sabi Duterte, extrajudicial, ano. And I never really, I never said yes, I said no. But ngayong inipit ko ng lahat. Look, it's 570 to date who are surrendering. Tignan mo ginawa nila sa bayan natin. Kaya ako galit. Kaya talagang galit, as in galit. Noon pa mayor pa ako. Told the barangay captains, let them report every day in the meantime. Keep them busy. Oo, basketball, ano. Just keep track of their whereabouts. When the time comes, I would begin to, yung parang prefab na ano lang. And they'll go into a military camp. Tapos minsan, sabi ng korte kasi hindi pa yung pa-post up pa sayaw. Of course, they should. Part of really rehab is to do physical. Ay, kasi pinapa-post up. Nandito naman itong human rights. Ano ba naman yung post up? They are not supposed to. They should be allowed. They should be ordered to work to keep them busy. To keep their minds or at least tire them out. At the end of the day, they no longer cannot be thinking of Cebu. Because I have ordered the opening of the military camps because ang military lang ang may mga big spaces reservation. Sabi ko sa kanila, give me 1 hectare in every region. I have to build rehab centers all over the country. Apurado lang yung mga gago eh. It cannot come overnight. I have to design a parang cottage. Tapos I have to employ doctors, plenty of them, and pay them the rate that they are getting from the private sector para they will stay there and treat the Filipino. I would need a lot of nurses. Sabihin mo lang 500,000 o 3 million, whichever is correct. I still have to worry even if it is only one Filipino. O yan ang problema ko ngayon. But it will really come to pass that we have just to do something about our countrymen.